Shift.
You? And Cassandra. Mr. Fortune. What's happening?
Great.
Are you good?
Yeah, no.
Sharp. How did you sleep?
Nice.
Like a baby.
Yeah.
And ulale on the couch or on the bed or in the shower? Where did you
On the bed.
I feel like you forgot. You were acting like a man who forgot that he has another relationship.
At that moment, yeah. Kana kwe logore re le ka mo ka nna le Cassandra ke be ke sa nane ka karabo. Logoro kae phone mi kae ke be ke sa dinagane lo jeo.
And then mfana, the rest of the evening, like in terms of the things that you were saying to her, was she resonating with that stuff?
Well, the rest of the evening actually started all good until in the early hours of the morning, actually, yeah. I had to break down the fact that I'm actually, expecting a child. And now having to say I actually had a fight with my girlfriend because of I'm actually looking forward to understanding where I stand with her. But the conclusion, I'm happy with it.
All right, dope, my brother. Let me step away for a bit. I'm going to fetch someone and I'm going to come back.
Okay.
Okay, you ready though?
Depending on who that
You must be ready. You say it went well, so.
Before Siagute, I'll think you'll be Zukarabo so we can have our caucus.
You're having to come here and still face him, talk to him. I hated that idea. I didn't even want to come, but I ended up coming.
So, Karabo, how was the last 24 hours for you?
It was not nice, that's all. I was angry.
I'm going to ask you to give him a few minutes so that he can obviously explain to you. Fortune, umchazele mfethu ukuthi kwenzakaleni. And then uzomcela mfethu lokho uyifunayo.
Kole ke choga lo choga ya le ga ba o mo tsora dule pela ga ka re mo go betwa mo. First of all, I'd like to say I'm sorry about yesterday. And to really be honest, yesterday I was with Cassandra, and I spent the night with her, and we spoke. Me and Cassandra are gonna get back together.
Good for you. I was not gonna get back with you anyways.
That doesn't actually shy away the fact that I'm gonna be there to take care of the child.
Of course, I was not even gonna ask you that. He was not even showing any concerns. He was not concerned. He was just enjoying the moment.
So, Fortune, Karabo, guys, if I can turn your attention to the screen, and then Fortune, perhaps you can give us context for what we see there.
Ke nagana gore go betere ge nna ke mmotsa than gore a tla a iponele.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I just want to eat you up.
I don't even want to think about what happened between them last night. I don't want to think about what they did, what they said, the conversations that were had. I don't want to think about it at all.
Okay,
Oh, I don't want to hear it. Honestly,
either way,
I
I
don't.
still need to tell you.
No,
because-
please don't tell me. All I had was resentment for him, to be quite honest.
So as I wanted to say to you, for me to end up being in the decision, or rather the phase that I'm in, wasn't a choice that I
face. You are actually seeing that.
Can I talk?
No, listen, this is your world after all. Again, I'm just in it. Talk.
So for me to be here, it wasn't a choice. It wasn't by my choice.
Who forced you?
The things that which you did are what got me here.
And you feel like you take off, like you're justified because
You
of
know,
that.
I still don't understand the horror. When will I
done.
talk to you and you listen? Anje ge re ba le dikgwagano ka rabo na lo fitla mo le gore o kare maybe a rasa ke mo gopela gore a ba mara go mola le nna ke nya go bolela o kare ba no go ka re voice ya ga move power na bile wa tho. Karabo, do you understand that
No, I don't.
there were points whereby I tried to commit suicide because of the pressure that you always put me on.
It happens. I have an ex who also committed suicide. So why must I feel pity for you whereas you couldn't feel
But
for
then
him?
how am I related to your ex?
How does this
I'm telling you
concern me?
about
I'm
me.
telling this is how it started with him, okay?
Then how do I enter the...
So why would I be
how
with
do I
two guys who are
infiltrate in
stupid enough to kill themselves? Hey, nakopunse. Hey, do we still need to do this?
Karabo is insensitive, lacks empathy, doesn't let anyone talk, doesn't want to take accountability.
Why are you still here? Now, if I was you, I was gonna run. Most clearly, toxic. I'm toxic. I'm a red flag. I'm all that. But you are still standing here. Are you not done painting me red?
When your partner tells you that they were contemplating suicide, this is not how you react.
But you need to understand...
I don't need to understand anything.
You are carrying
I don't
our
need to
child.
understand. So
that
you need
makes...
to understand where I'm carrying your child. For you, drama now at this time. Last year.
Nah, that's not the point.
That's the
not
point.
the point.
Nah, that's the point.
That's not the point.
You're selfish. So what? Acknowledge.
I am selfish.
Good. Keep
I'm
yourself
selfish.
sharp. So we done here.
I think I'm selfless.
We done here.
Karabo ke motho le gore vele a el ra le mtheletše bjang le tlo go mola ka nkane le tlo mtheletša.
If I may
I'm not gonna
interject,
argue.
okay, because I feel like you guys, a lot of your conversations, whether they happen in private or here, like you go around in circles. Regarding last night, obviously the opportunity that we were giving you is so that you could have a gap of 24 hours where you don't have to listen to somebody shouting at you
It's like I always
in
shout
order
at
to
him.
come to you shouting.
Then it means
to
baby.
a
Why do I have to
decision.
shout at him?
So-
It means I can't talk to him nicely and he understands.
If I can get a gap, if you can give me 2 minutes, I'll be back shortly.
You're a baby. You are a baby. If I have to shout at you for you to get it, it means like you well not properly. You can't get it.
Ash,
For the past 2 years, they're in the relationship since we're now told. Like you couldn't say anything for the past. Does it make
the
sense?
fact that whenever I want to say something, you shut me out. That's why I cannot open up about
It means
whether
when I
how
don't
I
have
feel
the
or what I've
presence.
been through.
It means Lynn, I'm stuck with the wrong. But thanks for this, ne?
So that's how we're gonna end this whole thing.
Yeah. When as a man, you can't make it. Tlamehile ke o push ke go wanya neng o mong.
No, we're not serious.
My guy, you carried your leg. Sharp. I think I'm done. There's your girlfriend.
Ah, waban. Cassandra wa ilo mo tlhafuna mo ka nnete.
Guys, thanks for the time. Shift.
Yo, washiya nje kanjalo Karabo. Gone.
E nkare ke moshala morao ko dira go rabe felo le go feta. And go moshale morao a wa le gona tlapa neng ka ikhumana gona mo.
Can please help me? It's affecting me, but in the same breath, it's not affecting. It's none of my business. So it's their business. They must do whatever that they feel like it's right for them.
You've obviously witnessed a small bit of Ilafika Fortune. So I'd love to hear your thoughts, Mangam Ngcela, because you can see he's obviously feeling bad because nobody wants, the person that they want to start something with being exposed to what they come from. So look, if you can speak to that.
Yeah, he did tell me that he's expecting a child with his new girlfriend. I was devastated, shocked, and confused.
I thought or maybe Nalena Ratoba Ratomal Ratlarina Awuswa. Osina diluchedimbi or a jail or disatla.
Life is too short, and we should actually spend it with the people that we truly love. And I love Fortune.
Despite the situation that he finds himself in.
Yeah.
You are nna ke thoma go nagana gore okay ke assume motho e le gore khale ke monyaka mara at the same time ke busy ke a nagana gore gape bjale Karabo sa le gona and Karabo sa tlo no ba gona.
I'm not his choice. I'm okay with it. And if anything, I'm actually glad gore I dodged the bullet.
Fortune, you talk to Cassandra, my brother, we vale jam.
Ke tlo go ba monna ke be le gore ke tshwanetse ke bena go tloga mathomong go senyeditse mo go senyeditseng ka dira diphoso mara ke nyaka go di lokisha. So from here going forward, I want us to start from scratch, build up a deeper foundation, and stand tall amongst everything and any challenges that are going to come. Above everything, I really love you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I love you so much, babe.
Congratulations to Fortune and Cassandra. They've chosen each other and we wish them all the best. For Sisu Karabo, Siswami, now might be a time for self-reflection. Indaba yakho no Fortune, sort out that co-parenting thing, it'll be worth it in the end.